Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to complete the Winter Frost Week 5 quest, especially the bird watching missions with a 2-star info card, this one. So in week 5, you need to take a photo of a bird and get a 2-star bird info result. And if you just take a random picture, most of the time you will only get 1 star. So here's the trick to get a 2-star bird info card. You need to take a photo while the bird is doing an activity like this. For example like this, just wait until the bird's performing an actions like this. Like when the chirping or spreading or flapping its wings or doing any special movement like this. Like this. So just wait and watch the birds carefully, and when it starts moving or performing an action, just quickly open your scanner and take the photo at the exact moment like this. And then you will get a 2-star info card and complete the quest easily. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!